There are two ways to update your password in WD Online. The first option is to use the Forgot Your Password link on the login page at wdonline.com. Under the password field on the login page, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter your email address in the field to receive a password reset link. Click Reset My Password. The second option to change your password is through My Account. After logging into WD Online, click on the arrow next to your name in the top right corner of the page and click on My Account. Under Contact Information, click on the Change Password link. Fill out the necessary fields. Scroll down and click Save.